Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2001 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is digital circuits, and that too microprocessors we are discussing now. An 8085 microprocessor based system uses a 4K into 8-bit RAM whose starting address is AA00. The address of the last byte in this RAM is. So there are four options are given. What will be the last address byte of this RAM location RAM? So it was given that one 4K into 8 bit RAM. 4K into 8 bit implies nothing but 4 kilobytes of RAM. 4 kilobytes implies nothing but 4096 bytes of RAM. Okay, so 4096 is nothing but this is, we can write it as 2012 in binary. 2012 is nothing but 4096 bytes. So it requires 12 bits of lines. So the starting address location in hexadecimal, if you want to write at that time, 1000 bytes. 1000 bytes. 1000 is nothing but the minimum address. Starting address is 000 and ending address is nothing but FFF. So this is a RAM which will be consisting of 1000 bytes. Okay, that is 4 kilobytes is nothing but in hexadecimal, that is equal to 1000 bytes. 1000 bytes is nothing but it is starting, this is second location. Like this we are going with so many locations and the last location. Okay, so this will be the first location is nothing but 000. Okay, as it requires 12 bits, so that 000 is nothing but each digit is representing with 4 bits. Next one is nothing but 001, and this is going to be 002. Like this it is increasing, and the last is nothing but FFF, so that FFF plus 000 total is nothing but 1000 bytes, and below that one you can write it as FF and E. Okay, so this is the first address location 000 and last address location of 4 kilobytes of RAM. 4 kilobytes of RAM. This is for individual RAM, but the address location is given that one. The starting address is AA00. AA00 is the starting address. By that time, what can be the last address over here? What is the last address? So AA00 should be added with FFFF, so that will be the last byte. So last byte address, last byte address is nothing but it is starting byte address is AA00 plus the total number of the last byte address is nothing but FFF. So AA00 FFF, whenever you are adding it, FF is nothing but F plus 0 is F, F plus 0 is F, F plus A. Okay, F plus A is nothing but F is 15, A is nothing but 10. 15 plus 10 is nothing but 25 in decibel. 25 in decimal. 25 in decimal is nothing but, if you are dividing with 16, you will get it as 19 in hexa. 25 in hexa decimal is nothing but 19 in hexa. So A plus F is nothing but 19. So you can write it as 9 and 1 over here. A plus 1, A is 10, 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 is nothing but B. So the answer of the last byte address is B9FF. B9FF, that is nothing but the right option is C. Thank you.